What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Mark Schenck, and we are going to be doing this trend that's going around on YouTube right now. It's the 1,000-degree knife video, and you know I'm thirsty for them views. So let's get this video to 500,000 likes right now. Go down there, smash that like button. Ow!
Is that hot?
No, I just hit it. But no, I'm just kidding, guys. Just if you want to hit that like button, I don't really care. It's like whatever. Let's just do it. Are you gonna lick it?
No, I'm not gonna lick it.
Oh, I thought you were licking it. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Just real quick, I'm gonna give a shout out to Mr. Gear for starting this whole trend thing, and I don't really see much people giving him a shout out, so we're going to. Guys, we're just about ready. It's glowing pretty hard.
I'd say we're ready.
I say we're ready too.
Number one, the shoe.
All right, just hold it up on its side, like that. Start slicing a little bit. It's not really doing much.
We got it going right here, the laces. Get a little more. No, we're gonna do it on the laces. Paste it up. Okay.
Ooh.
I can feel it sinking into it. Jake, I don't think those shoes are gonna work anymore.
Yeah, I don't think I can wear these around no more.
I mean, you could try. You won't, no balls.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
Look at that.
Jeez.
Ooh.
Oh man, you cut through the aglet. Could
Ah.
use that.
Alright, now it's Jake's turn.
Try not to talk in it.
Dang, they were too
Don't
late
say
for
any
that.
names.
God.
Oh.
So our goal now is to cut it completely in half. Can we do it? Yes, we can.
Think Jake has hope. Take two, cutting it in half. Oh.
It is lit.
It is very lit, Jake. Oh, we're getting there.
We needed mouth protection.
We are almost there.
This is like really freaking thick. Shoe.
It is thick. Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh,
God.
hold on to it. I give up.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
We are now moving on to incense, and we'll see how this goes. Maybe lay it on its side. Nope. Nope. Smoking.
I didn't know this would happen. That's an insult.
Well, that was a fail. But now
Or
we
was
got
it?
some nice... Oh, there it goes.
Here we go. That's how it's done.
That's how it's done. Now for the main attraction, what you probably came here for in the title, the fireworks.
Let's lit it up.
Time to get lit. Alright, here we go. 1,000-degree knife versus fireworks. Holy crap, dude. I was not expecting that to happen. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button down below. And if you're new and you liked what you've seen, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, subscribe. Thank you very much, Leland. And see you guys in the next one.